Well, I don't want to be rude, but that whole audition was really dreadful.
What a rude man.
I'm actually saying all this to help you.
Why is it so hard to find somebody with talent? Somebody with a decent voice? Can anybody find me somebody to love?
I work hard every day of my life.
I work till I ache my bones. At the end
of the day,
I take home my holiday all on my own.
I go down on my knees and I start to pray.
Till the tears run down from my eyes. Lord, somebody,
please,
can anybody find me? Somebody to love. Every day. Oh, I try, but everybody wants to pull me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I want water in my brain. Oh, I got no common sense. You got nobody left to believe. I feel like I don't rhythm. I just keep losing my beat. I'm okay, I'm alright.
he's alright,
I ain't gonna face no defeat. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free. Lord, somebody, somebody, can anybody find me? Somebody to love.
Good.